can you play the main theme from Schindler's List? And do you know what it can teach you about piano improvisation? Like this? This piece by John Williams is one of the most emotional and haunting film themes ever written. And in this tutorial we'll treat it with humility and respect, keeping our playing simple and honest. But we'll also explore what makes this melody so expressive and how you can use its principles to improve your improvisation. So, here's what we'll do today in 4 simple steps. First step, learn the melody and chords in a very simple version. Second step, add expression and color to the left-hand accompaniment. And third step, discover what John Williams does compositionally to make this melody unforgettable. And step 4. What can you learn from the special intro and what makes it unique? I think you remember. Ready? Let's start by learning the basic version. The theme is written in D minor. Let's start with just the melody and block chords. Keep it very plain. In our right hand we have the melody, in our left hand the block chords. D minor, then G minor, C with a 4, and then F major 7. Once again, okay, next part, D minor, G minor 7, C with the 4 and 7, F, G minor, A major with a 7, and D minor, G minor 7, A major with 7, and B flat, and A major with a 4, maybe with a 4 and 7, resolve it, G minor, A major 7, and back to D minor. So, practice this simple version. Now, let's make the left hand more interesting, without losing the calm, respectful tone of the piece. You can try different voicings. Spread out the chord tones more widely, like this. D minor with a 9, or this, or D minor with the first inversion and the 9, or the second inversion, D minor with the 9, very nice sound. Or leave out some chord tones. If we are in G minor, skip the D, or skip the B flat. And very important, shift the rhythm slightly. Instead of playing the chord on the beat, try coming in after the beat, like this. And with arpeggio, It's a very calm but expressive way to bring movement to your improvisation. So let's combine our left hand with all the aspects we have seen so far. Have a listen. By the way, if you want to go deeper into improvisation, I've created a free download that will really help you. It walks you through how to build your improvisation mindset, understand the value of your musical gift, and gives you practical exercises to become more free at the piano. You'll find the link in the description. So let's go to step 4. The melodic elements. John Williams' Melody is a masterclass in emotional phrasing. Let's break down a few things he does that you can use in your own improvisations. So, wide intervals that repeat, like the gentle swing. Listen to this. Or use a variation in your own improvisation. Or this. Or this. Then use neighbor tones, small stepwise movements, like this. With little 3 tones. And then use tones of the chord. Wide interval, then neighboring tones, with a combination of wide intervals and neighboring tones. Let's play it again. Wide intervals that repeat, and then neighbor tones, and then tones of the chord. Wide interval, neighboring tones. Again. Neighboring tones, chord tones, neighboring tones. Sometimes he starts a phrase on a non-chord tone, like this. Very important, this brings color. For example, beginning with a C over G minor chord. Or the B flat over the F major. Finally, he connects these phrases types, leaping, stepwise, tension and release, into a seamless flow. Try applying the thinking when you improvise your own melodies. Ask yourself, what kind of phrase I'm playing right now? Now, one of my favorite things about the theme is actually its intro. Have a listen. It doesn't start in D minor, the home key. It starts in A minor. Then something beautiful happens. It moves from A minor to A major, and suddenly A becomes the dominant of D minor. Have a listen once again. Now switch to A major, and this is the dominant to D minor. This shift from sadness to light, then back to sadness, it's deeply symbolic. It's like a door opening to the story. You can use the same idea in your own improvisations. Start one step away from your main key and then reveal it. If this lesson helped you understand piano improvisation a little more deeply, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And don't forget to download the free improvisation guide in the description. It's packed with insights to help you find your own sound. Thanks for watching, and remember, play with emotion, play with humility, and let your music speak.